Hi, and welcome to 8 Daily Affirmations, episode 61. Let's go through 8 affirmations to kickstart your day with positivity. I'll say each one 2 times, repeat with me to boost your confidence, reduce stress, and stay motivated. Let's get started with affirmation number 1. I am prepared. I am prepared. I can move mountains. I can move mountains. I release negativity. I release negativity. People celebrate my wins. People celebrate my wins. Every day I rise higher. Every day I rise higher. Today I feel hopeful. Today I feel hopeful. I am efficient. I am efficient. I trust the process. I trust the process. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.